This is Runner. It's not Donald. Come here. I know, it's fine. Come here. Mama has to do a lot of stuff. Come here. Come here. Let's put some milk in there. Okay. Ooh, you like that? Okay. Come here. Come back. Come here. Shh. Donald. I meant to say here, Runner. His Runner, the fidgety one. And I also tried to hold the bowl so that he will get used to me and not get nervous all the time, so that he can, you know, be like the others that are friendly. Eating the crumbs. It takes time for them to come around, but I am very patient, and so that's why I'm holding the bowl, but not too much because they would go off. So at some point you have to like just kind of like feel it. It's very cute. This is what an afternoon looks like here. I am whispering because my neighbor's dog, I guess it's outside, maybe it can hear us and would scare this little guy off. Oh, it's very hot and humid. It's still, what time is it? It's not focusing. Ooh. I don't know, it's 4:11. Yeah, not focusing. It's 4:11 and I'm still doing a lot of chores outside. I mean, I've been out for like about almost an hour now, sweating like a, I should not say the word, but yeah, I'm very wet from all the sweat, and it rhymed. I've been doing those still, doing more painting, and he's listening to me while I'm packing. He's very curious of what I'm saying and why I'm talking, because I normally don't talk on the camera. So that's their pool, which I have to clean later when it's not so hot, because now you can't even touch the water, it's so hot. They don't go there. I have to clean that because they poop on it at night. I have to clean that before they come later at 7 for their dinner. This little guy comes here for his snacks, and I'm giving him this. It's not expired yet, but this is the leftover of my husband. He drinks this milk. I drink almond, so we don't really want to waste stuff, so I try to give it to them. I mean, it's not bad for them because it's not even expired yet. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, September 6th. While I'm here, look at my potato, or potatoes? No, it's not potatoes. It's my tomatoes. It's trying to thrive back. My strawberry died. Some basil there. I like to plant stuff. Although it's okay. Our pump went off. So yeah, I have that little guy there for the squirrels, because the squirrels love to ruin my plants and my garden. So while I'm planting, when it's still seeds or seedling, they would dig it out from the ground but hopefully they will not ruin as